Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
If you're looking for some classic black dress shoes, these by Asher Green are a great choice. The leather on them is so beautiful and so soft. I could not get over how soft it was. It makes them feel like they would be so comfortable to wear because the top is not a super thick or backed layer, so it would really bend or stretch to fit your foot. The inside has cushion. It's a firm cushion, but it's a very nice cushion. Like I said, you can see my fingers under here, so they'll definitely stretch because they're leather and they're slip on and off super easy. Another thing I really like is that the soles are rubber and have grip. Some dress shoes are so slick on the bottom. I'm always worried about my husband falling, but these have a nice grip all the way to the heel, which is nice because right now it is winter and it is icy out. So I like knowing that my husband, when he walks in the house, isn't going to slip and fall on his face. We wore these in the snow and they got a little dirty. They were very easy to wash up and they looked brand new again. So if you're looking for some very, very nice leather classic black dress shoes, these are a really great choice.
And that's my point of view.